Okay, so my name is Paige Phelan. This is for Dr. Pishva's class at Parker University. I'll start off with materials for the properties of gases lab. I'll skip what I had to provide because it makes it a long list. So I need the safety goggles, my test tubes, the well plate that I'll have to get, the gas assembly tube, the pipette that I need, as well as the rubber stopper. And then the experiment bag that we're going to use is the properties of gases. It has Alka-Seltzer, hydrochloric acid, lime water. We have some manganese metal pieces with 3 pipette bulbs, and the last thing that was included is the mossy zinc. Okay, so I will be completing part 4 of the lab, the carbon dioxide. So the first part is to put 0.5 to 1 ml of lime water into a well. So here's our lime water. Okay, so that's about 1 ml. Place half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. So here's our baking soda. So for this, I'm going to use the funnel. There we go. So there's half a teaspoon. Hold the test tube and add half a pipette full of white vinegar. So here's our vinegar. And add half a pipette full of white vinegar, okay, to the sodium bicarbonate, our baking soda. Okay, that's about half a pipette. So okay, so it's fizzing. I'll put that there. Okay. So most of the reaction is stopped now, so I'm going to put this in the test tube. Okay, so I'm putting the end of the stopper into the lime water. As far as I can see at the moment, there's just a huge bubble forming. Looks like it's becoming, it was kind of clear before, and now it's kind of cloudy. I'm going to give it just a couple more seconds. There's a lot of bubbles, and it went from a clear mixture to cloudy. Okay, so that's the end of that particular experiment. Stay. Okay. Put bromothymol blue. So here's our bromothymol blue. So this is for part 2 of this lab. And put about the same of bromothymol blue. Okay. So I have cleaned out my test tube, and we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to get half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and the pipette full of vinegar. We're going to let that react. Now that that's done, we're going to put it into the bromethymol blue. Alright. So it's still mostly blue, but now it kind of has a green tinge to it. Alright, so those are parts 1 and 2 of part 4 of the Properties of Gases Law.